Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I got for repair Electrovoice EV ELX 115P. This is the model number, active speaker. This is only for active speaker module. So the customer is a big speaker, so he cannot bring the big speaker. So he just give me a module inside module. So we'll check what's the issue in this. The customer is saying that there is no sound output coming from this. Well friends, we'll just connect the power first. So friends, we'll put the power first. So I have connected the power. I'll put it on. We'll put it on now. See, power is on. So there is power inside now. So what we will give now, we'll give the input first. So I will connect my mobile. See, sound is coming. I just want to show the sound. So I'll put the connect. So we'll give the input on input 1. Okay guys, so we have given power, we have given input, audio input signal to channel 1 input. So we'll keep the this volume up to middle, this also same, and we will put this also. So now we'll connect the speaker. So for the speaker there are two. This 2 is for HF and here this 2 is for LF. So what we will do, we'll connect this 2 for the LF. So I got the speaker. I'll just show you the my speaker is working, because in my last comments one of my viewers was asking how can I believe that speaker is working or not. So I just show you the speaker is working or not, because I'll show you the speaker ohms. So it's clearly you'll come to know. See, it 8 ohms. Okay guys, so it means that my speaker is okay. So I will connect this to the LF. See guys, there is no output. See guys, I already make the volume full and my mobile is also working. This, see, still there is no sound. Okay guys, so no sound. So now we will check step by step. Put it off first. So guys, we'll check any shorting is there or not. So they have used one audio processor IC. This is the number of this IC is ADAU1701. This is 48 pin IC. This is also called main DSP IC, or you can say ADC, analog to digital control IC. So this is the main audio processor IC and microcontroller, so you can say this one in short. So we'll check is there any shorting with this. I see some points or some pins are getting shorted. So we'll keep on the diode range, which buzzer range. So I kept on the buzzer range. So we'll see now is there any shorting or something like that. Pin number 1 is grounded, and pin number 48, we'll check on pin number 48 is the supply pin, the SB supply 3.3 volt. Is any shorting in between these two pin? No guys, there is no shorting actually. So we'll keep on the diode range. We can see this is the diode range, so it is not showing any shorting. This is between ground and supply pin, so there is no any shorting. So it means our audio processor is safe. And we'll check some other ICs, operational ICs, some operational amplifier ICs. Is in a shorting between minus and plus. There is no shorting, so I will keep on the buzzer range. There is no shorting here. Here also one IC is there. This IC number is N5532. Yes, the number of this IC is N5532. We'll check any shorting is there or not. There is no any shorting, friends. See. So what we will do now, friends, we'll supply voltage. We'll apply voltage and we'll check the voltage. Some voltage test. We'll apply voltage now. So guys, we'll supply voltage, AC voltage. Okay. So I'll put it on. It's on. So now we'll check some voltages. I'm checking the voltage on the audio processor IC. See guys, how much voltage is coming. See 3.2 voltage. So there is no any voltage dropping on supply pin. So supply is coming to the IC is 3.2 volt. So now we'll check some, and there is one more signal IC is coming. Some more voltage is there on pin number 1.6, 1.5. See guys, this is also good. Pin number 25, 26, 0.017, and also it is not getting hot also. Let's check some voltages. Very thin, very small points are there. This is the regulator. See, 20, it is minus 20. There are two voltages, minus and plus, so that we will check now. See, 15 plus 15, 15. So voltages are coming proper, but we'll see some. Take this as this negative common. So it's coming, voltage is coming properly. So guys, it's 20. We'll check some voltages on this pin here. Preamp amp. There is one more IC is there here. So what we will do, our voltage is showing good. See guys, you can see risky to take. So friends, this is preamp IC. On pin number it is showing I'm getting see voltage is getting drop over sometimes. See, plus 15 is coming here on pin number 8, but on pin number see pin number 4, this is Pin number 4 is not getting, it should be show some -15, and also this IC also getting overheated. So guys, this IC looks faulty. The number of this IC is 5532 N5532. This is a operational amplifier IC. So we'll replace this IC with the new one. So I'll look, this is the main, I think this is the problem only. So we'll replace this IC with the new one, N5532 IC. So finally guys, we'll replace this IC. I got the new IC with me. This is NE5532. So we'll replace this IC with the new one. I got the new. So we'll just remove that IC, then we'll change this one. So guys, we have removed the IC. So we'll fix new one now. I got the new one with me. So guys, we have already removed the faulty IC. Now we'll put the new IC. So guys, this is the new IC, yeah, NE5532. So this will fix it, because the old IC was faulty. So now we'll fix this one. So guys, we have soldered the new IC. So guys, we have already soldered the new IC. Let's show you. Okay guys, so now we'll put it on and check. So now we already soldered the IC. Now we'll check it out. So we'll put it on first. So connect power, put it on. So we'll give input signal. So we have given the input. So guys, now we'll connect the speaker. We have already given input signal. We'll connect the speaker, friends. First we'll connect on the LF. This is minus, this is plus. So see, it's coming. So guys, okay. So now we'll connect to the HF now. This is the HF now. Okay guys, it's working fine now. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon in next video. Bye bye.